Mga kaglena. Dito tayo ngayon sa taas ng Starbucks at Shibuya Crossing. So, nakikita niyo yan, yung mga tao dyan natatawid. That's the very exciting part. Hi, Shibuya Crossing! Yahoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go! This is it! Shibuya Crossing! Oh! Shibuya Crossing!
It's not that time to record.
It's not the time to record.